Hey there! Welcome everyone to our beginner's guide on SEO or search engine optimization. This course will be the best you ever followed to study SEO. Stay with us until the end of the video to get tips from our SEO experts for a successful SEO strategy for your business. Before moving further, hit the subscribe button to get updates from us. Now let's take a quick look at the agenda of our course. How do search engines work? Common SEO jargons you need to know. Why do you need SEO? Types of SEO, on-page SEO basics, off-page SEO basics. Technical SEO in simple terms, SEO tools AMP. Finally, SEO best practices. Before learning about what is SEO, we need a clear understanding of how search engines work. So, what is a search engine? A search engine is a service that allows internet users to search for content via the World Wide Web or the internet. Google is by far the world's most used search engine, with a market share of 90.6%. There are other search engines such as Yahoo and AMP Bing. Anyway, in SEO, we mostly consider about Google because majority of internet users use it daily. There are three main steps in how search engines work: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Google has bots called crawlers or spiders. Google sends these crawlers to find the latest and updated content on the internet. First, they visit a website and find the links on that page, and follow those links to find other new URLs. Like this, they find all the latest content on that website. These bots do this crawling and take a copy of every content to report to Google. These crawlers are like spies who works for Google. Next step is indexing. When crawlers finish crawling, they give a copy of the content they found to Google. Google store those copies in a server called Google's Index. Think of the index as a storeroom of Google. Final step is ranking. When someone searches for something on Google, it goes to the index and finds the relevant web pages related to the search term. For example, when someone searches cake recipes, Google finds Ant, lists the web pages with cake recipes. Then, Google uses its algorithm to list the most relevant web pages for the search query. So, if you are a website owner, you need to make sure that Google and other search engines can crawl and index your website. Otherwise, your target audience will have no idea that your website exists. That's why we need to use SEO. So, what exactly is SEO? Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of increasing the visibility of a website on search engines AMP grow organic traffic. In a nutshell, SEO helps your website to rank higher on the search engine result page. When you rank higher, you get more people to your website. Now let's see some common SEO jargons. SERP, which stands for Search Engine Results Page, is the web page you see after you type something into a search engine like Google. It's where the search engine shows you a list of websites and information related to what you searched for. Keyword, a word or phrase that people type into a search engine when looking for information. SEO often involves optimizing your content for specific keywords. Organic search. These are the non-paid search results that appear on a SERP based on their relevance to the search query. Website traffic refers to the number of visitors or users who access and interact with a website. Paid traffic means visitors who land on the website by clicking on paid advertisements, such as Google Ads or social media ads. Why do you need SEO? SEO makes your website more visible to people. When your website ranks higher in search results, more people are likely to see it. It's like having a store on a busy street instead of a hidden alley. SEO helps search engines understand what your website is about. This means they can show it to people who are looking for the information or products you offer. When your site appears at the top of search results, people tend to trust it more. It's like being on the first page of a book. People often start there. Good SEO strategy can bring more visitors to your website. These visitors can turn into customers, readers, or fans, depending on your goals. In simple terms, SEO is like the map that helps people find your website in the vast jungle of the internet. It makes your site easier to discover, more trustworthy, and more likely to achieve your online goals. There are 3 main types of SEO, each with a different focus and purpose. Those are on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing the content and elements on your website's individual pages to make them more search engine friendly and user-friendly. In on-page optimization, there are several tactics to use. Let's see what those are. First and most important on-page tactic is keyword optimization. I explained what is a keyword in SEO jargon's lesson. Briefly, a keyword is a word or phrase used by someone to search something on internet. Think of keywords as the magic words that help search engines understand what your content is about. When you use the right keywords in your articles, blog posts, or product descriptions, it's like telling search engines, hey, this page has the information people are searching for. This increases the chances of your content being found by those looking for what you have to offer. For example, if you have a flower delivery business, you must include related keywords such as flower delivery services, flower delivery near me, send flowers as a gift like Wise. Then when someone searches for flower delivery service, your website will appear as a search result. Next tactic is meta tags optimization. Meta tags are like brief summaries of your web page that you can provide to search engines. They include 2 main parts, such as title tags and meta descriptions. Title tags are like the titles of your web pages. They tell people and search engines what your page is about. A good title tag is both informative and appealing. It's the title that appears as a clickable link in search results. Meta descriptions are short descriptions that give a little more detail about what your page has. They appear below the title in search results. A well-written meta description can entice people to click on your link. Next tactic is creating high-quality content. Content quality is all about making sure that the information you provide on your website is really good. Your content should be accurate, well-researched, and free from errors. Your content should give people valuable information, answers to their questions, or solutions to their problems. Your content should be interesting and easy to read. It should keep people interested and make them want to explore more of your website. Good content quality is important because it not only helps your website rank better in search engines, but also keeps your visitors happy and coming back for more. Next tactic is internal linking. Internal linking is connecting related pages within your website. It means adding links from one page of your website to another page on the same site. This helps users easily navigate through your content and discover related information. The second SEO type is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to the activities and strategies that are carried out outside of your website to improve its visibility and authority on search engines. It focuses on building a positive online reputation, increasing the website's trustworthiness, and attracting backlinks from other websites. Now, let's see some off-page SEO tactics you can use. Backlink building. It is acquiring high-quality and relevant links from other websites to your site. These backlinks act as votes of confidence and boost sites' authority in the eyes of search engines. Social signals. It means engaging with social media platforms to promote your content and brand. Social media activity, shares, and interactions can indirectly impact your SEO. Online reputation management. It means monitoring and managing online reviews, mentions about your brand. A positive online reputation can enhance your website's credibility. The last SEO type is technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of the technical aspects of a website to improve its search engine visibility and user experience. It involves fine-tuning the behind-the-scenes elements that affect how search engines crawl and index your site. Let's see some technical SEO tactics. First one is website structure. ensuring that your website has a logical and user-friendly structure, making it easy for both visitors and search engines to navigate. Second, XML sitemaps. Creating XML sitemaps that list all the URLs on your site, helping search engines index your pages more efficiently. Third, robots.txt. Using a robots.txt file to instruct search engine bots on which parts of your website to crawl and which to avoid. Fourth, mobile friendliness, ensuring that your website is responsive and functions well on mobile devices, which is a crucial ranking factor, especially for mobile searches. Fifth, website security, ensuring your site is secure with HTTPS to protect user data and improve search engine rankings as Google prioritizes secure sites. Now, it's the time to identify some tools that will make SEO game easy. Google Analytics. It is a free tool that provides detailed website analytics and user insights. Google Search Console, another free tool by Google that helps monitor your website's performance in Google search results and provides valuable data and insights. Ahrefs, a comprehensive SEO toolset that includes backlink analysis, keyword research, and site audit features. SEMrush, an all-in-one SEO platform that offers keyword research, competitive analysis, and site audit tools. Moz provides SEO tools such as Moz Pro for keyword research, site audits, and rank tracking. Screaming Frog SEO Spider, a desktop-based web crawler for analyzing on-page SEO elements. Yoast SEO, a WordPress plugin that helps optimize content for search engines and provides on-page SEO recommendations. Ubersuggest, Neil Patel's tool, offers keyword research, site audit, and backlink analysis features. Without even realizing, you completed all the lessons in our SEO for Beginners course. Now, shall we test your knowledge on SEO? We will ask you some questions. You can take a paper and pen to mark the correct answer. You get 10 seconds for each question. We will tell you the right answer as well. Shall we begin? Congratulations! You completed SEO for Beginners course. Now you are all set to start your SEO campaigns. We hope you gained a good knowledge about SEO through our course. Comment below your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to share this with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for joining this course. See you again with another informative video.